Indian National Army INA na British ki loilam sashandagi India ning tamle haiduna India gi laimaida ihan hanboina machu ohum gi firal Manipur gi moirangda paihan khibagi marifu mathoirak suba anniversary of flag hoisting day INA War Museum cum Library moirangda Department of Art and Culture na sinduna ngasi pangthokre thoramaduda Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala Moirang AC gi MLA Thongam Santi ABP SSP NEG Journal President Retired Lieutenant General DR Konsam Himalay ABP SSP Punjab Prant ki President Major General JS Nanda SM Retired 57th Mountain Division Major General SS Kartikeya SM Deputy IGAR South Brigadier Neeraj Sharma Manipur Government Art and Culture ki Special Commissioner M. Joina Sarukyaki Thoramadu ki Sarukamoina India Peace Memorial Maibam Not Pachingdagi Hauraga Ajad Hind Force ki Tricolor Flag Thetpa Biker Cham Henbana Moirang Tamna Laklaga Lamtung Pam Oiduna Mapung Oiba Thoramadu Hodoki Moirang the Pangtopo Thoramatuda Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana Moirang Kanglada India ki Tricolor Flag Chingkhatlama matung Subhash Chandra Bose ki mitamda leisukatki Thoramadu Kumari Lenana Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala na haikibada Manipur da hauzik thokli beirang asina nungaitaba khara thoklagasu INA na ningtamnaba honakibadu ningsingduna thamna lingjel ekoi masel amata oina punsinduna apunbagi saktam ningsingduna santi leiba mara chetpalamna mama oina bo honamina si haike
strategic advance, but also the support and courage of people of Manipur, who stood witness and often lent assistance to these brave soldiers during their campaign. Though the hold over Moirang was short-lived, its legacy has endured across generations. I am proud that Manipur has not only made history, but has also preserved it with honor. I just went around the INA War Museum here in Moirang. It was inaugurated way back in 1969 by the then Prime Minister, and it's the repository of some rare photographs, letters, and personal effects of INA soldiers. Today, Manipur stands as a proud contributor to India's strength. From its rich cultural heritage to its brave sons and daughters in the armed forces, Manipur continues to uphold the values of courage, sacrifice, and unity.